Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. I believe every one of us has been in a situation where you have deleted or lost some files and you want to restore them. Regardless if you deleted or lost those files on USB drive, SSD, desktop or whatever. By using this tool, which I'm going to introduce to you guys, which is called MiniTool Power Data Recovery, you will be able to restore deleted files from recycle bin, desktop and specific folders. Also recover permanently deleted files from AGD, SSD, USB drives, recover deleted pictures, audio, documents, etc. You can retrieve files when drives are formatted, inaccessible, virus infected. I believe this will be really helpful, especially for USB drives. When those USB drives get corrupted, you cannot restore those files, but by using this kind of tool, you can retrieve those files and try to get those files from your USB drive, which could be corrupted or damaged. Also, someone asked me on the comments on the YouTube how to recover older user that I mistakenly deleted. Please help. So this kind of questions or this kind of issues will be answered by using this tool, which is called MiniTool Data Recovery. In order to download this file, you can just click on the link on the description below. So you click over download now, or you can go directly over powerdatarecovery.com, but I would suggest you to use my link, and then you click over download now here, and the installation process is quite straightforward. I'm not going to spend time on that. Here you have some various data loss situations, but we're going to go right away and start using the tool. So here it is. I have already started the application. In order to go to the main page, you just click over home, and there you can see what you can restore. So here you see the devices or how it's recognized from the system or from the tool, but those are the logical drives because I have different partition. So you can restore based on the devices or based on the logical drives. You can see also the possibility to recover from specific locations. So from desktop, recycle bin, actually it's also usually easy to restore if you haven't deleted the recycle bin. If you have deleted, this gives you the possibility to restore those files also in the recycle bin. And then you have the possibility to select a folder, specific location. Anyway, I'm going to answer the question that I got on my YouTube channel. So basically, if you want to restore a user that you have deleted, you go over Windows C, for example, in this case, and then you can search for the profile where usually are saved. The user profiles are in C or where the Windows operating system is. So here you can see deleted files, what has been here, and here you can see the users. For example, in my case, I have deleted this and this. You can select those and then you can restore it. But actually, as you can see, it's still scanning, so it will take a long time to scan, especially in my case on this hard drive. So maybe you can be more specific, so you don't want to restore those or existing files or whatsoever, and this will help to minimize the scanning time. So in this case, I want to restore, let's say this. It's still working, it's still scanning, but I'm just showing you as an example. So I'm going to stop it for now. Do you want to stop the scan? Yes, because I don't want that to continue because it will take a long time. So basically, from what I have till now, from what I have scanned or found, you can select the file that or the folder that you want to restore, or in this case the user, and then you just click over save, and then you define where you want to save this file that you have just restored. It's recommended to save the recovered file on another drive, otherwise the lost deleted data could be overwritten, so this is something that you have to consider. So basically you just choose where you want to save, and that's it. This is how you can restore these files from a specific logical partition. So let's go at home. If you want to save the scan results, you can save it, but I don't want to save it in this case. So we go again to the main page of the mini tool, and in this case I'm going to show you the example how you can restore some files from the USB. So this case, so I'm using this USB here, and I click over scan, and then you have to select the path, or you have to select what you want exactly to restore. So in my case, I want to restore lost files. It will show me different files that I have lost, or they are for a certain reason corrupted or lost from my USB drive. By using this, you have the possibility to restore those files. Until now, I didn't find anything. I believe it will take some time to restore some specific files. In my case, the USB that I'm using is healthy, so it's not corrupted. So maybe that could be a reason, but let's give it some time to scan the whole USB drive and to try to find some files that are there and they have been deleted. Alright, so it's still scanning, but it has managed to find some file which is from, for example, on PDF file or Office. So this is the file that has been managed to be recovered. So once you find the file that you want to recover, you just click over save again and you decide where you want to save. Like I said, recovering files from USB drive is really important because mainly the USB drives cause those kind of issues. But also, if you have lost a file, if you have deleted by mistakenly on the desktop or whatsoever, it's really very powerful to use this tool to restore those files. That's all that I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you like this tool, and please leave on the comments below what do you think about this tool, and please consider subscribing to our channel. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.